I was sent these Stur real fruit flavored drops and they're great in water, but one thing I found that they're fantastic in is kombucha. So this one has electrolytes. I like that extra hit of electrolytes in it, and it's strawberry lemonade flavor. I'm probably gonna flavor with that one. Fruit punch, this one's really, really good. This is lemonade. This is actually a pink lemonade flavor, so adding a little more lemonade could be really good to it. And then this one's strawberry watermelon. So now I have to make a decision. Let's do strawberry lemonade with the electrolytes. So this is how it is, and you just pour a couple drops in. So I'll show you how easy it is, just a little squirt. That's it. If you want more flavor, just squeeze longer. That's all you gotta do. Zero sugar in this, and then it has real fruit, purified water. Just adds that hit of flavor that's so good. I didn't even stir it. Now you could stir it, you could shake it, but didn't even need to. So delicious. I think you're gonna love these.